Profitability in bear markets. So we want to see how we can be profitable in this bear market using the Binance exchange. Is it possible? Can you be profitable in the bear market using the Binance exchange? How can you do this? And then we want to study what a bear market actually is, how to be profitable in the bear market without stress. That's all we have for this meeting. So let's go farm. A bear market. What is a bear market? Bear market is a period in the cryptocurrency market characterized by an extended loss in the value of coins or token. It is usually accompanied by minimal rallies as a result of profit taking. Now, during bear markets, in such scenarios, assets tend to lose about 30% of their value. For instance, Bitcoin has lost about 30% of its value from its all-time high, similar to 2018, 2021, and current bear markets. So how can investors maximize profits? How can investors make money in these bear markets? How can investors save money and then be profitable in the bear market? That's actually what we want to see for this meeting. So go with me, fam. Now, how to maximize a bear market and be profitable? These are the numerous ways a trader and investor can be profitable in the bear market using the Binance exchange. Number one is trading Binance futures. Futures trading is a way whereby you can actually make so much money even in these bear markets. The next one is trading margin on Binance accounts, investing in Binance leverage tokens, buying and selling options on the Binance account, Binance taking the BNB vault, investing and flipping NFT on the Binance marketplace, dollar cost averaging on already existing positions or portfolio, use of recurring buys, the Binance LAUNCHPAD. So for this meeting, we want to be looking at the 3 easiest ways, which doesn't involve much work. Number one, it's dollar cost averaging, the Binance LAUNCHPAD, and the BNB vault. Let's go farm. Dollar cost averaging. What is dollar cost averaging? Dollar cost averaging is an investment strategy where an investor splits, redeploys, and reinvests on an already existing portfolio so as to reduce the average cost on the investment. Having done an adequate analysis and investment ready, an investor capitalizes on any discount, that is low price opportunity in the market, on the asset he or she is already owning. Say for instance, if an investor is invested at BNB, or in BNB rather, and then BNB declines in price, it is expected as a dollar cost averaging investor to buy additional at a lower price. Why it is important? You will see this in the next slide. Let's say you have an initial investment capital of $2,000 and invested 30%, which is $600 in BNB at $400. You will have 1.5 BNB. Now, if BNB drops to $360 and you invested another 30%, you will have one additional 1.66 BNB. BNB drops to $300 and you invest 30% again, you will have additional 2 BNB. Now, capital invested is equal to $1,797.6 BNB. Total assets 5.6 BNB. Average cost price is equal to 348.37, which is about $349. So what does this mean? How important is this? This simply means that at $350 you are profitable. So you will not need the market to trade all the way to $400 again before you become profitable, because you have averaged your true average dollar cost averaging. You have reduced the unit price or your unit cost price. So once the market gets to that particular place, you may not need a big bull market for you to make money again. What you just need is for the bear market to give you those rallies that the bear market normally provides, and you are profitable. These are the things you need for you to be profitable in the market. Okay, that's for dollar cost averaging. The next point, the Binance Launchpad. Oh, what a beautiful baby! The Binance Launchpad is a place where to be listed new coins are subscribed to. Usually, BNB can be used for this subscription. The beautiful thing is that your BNB is not spent but held during the farming period, and you are rewarded with tokens or coin farmed, which can be sold at spot market for additional income. You can always subscribe to this and earn more money even in bear market. How does the Binance Launchpad work? The Binance Launchpad is just simply synonymous to our traditional financial institution fixed deposit account, where you deposit your money, and for a fixed period of time your money is not spent. The bank use your money to make investments, lend it out, a whole lot of transactions. At the end of the day, a fraction of the return on investment is given to you, similar to the Binance Launchpad. In the Binance Launchpad, when you stake your BNB here for farming, for staking, or whatever, so the token you are actually farming will be rewarded to you, and this token can actually be sold in the spot market or held for long time investment. So as an investor, a smart investor, you want to be watching the Binance Launchpad. Whenever any token is to be listed, you go to the Binance Launchpad, subscribe to the Launchpad, earn additional tokens, sell at the spot market, make money even in this bear market. Examples of such tokens that have been launched through the Binance Launchpad: Alice, Merit Cycle, High, Anchor Protocol. And after launch, it's a known fact that these tokens tend to do 100%, 1000%. These are the things you need. Be smart, fam. Use the Binance Launchpad, make money even in this bear market. Okay, so the next one is BNB Vault, the hidden gem in the Binance exchange. This vault is a continuous money making machine, most suitable to the long term investor. How does this work? This is a means of continual earning on investment simply by keeping BNB in this vault. The beautiful thing is that you keep earning BNB and sometimes other coins. Your BNB can turn to BNB simply by keeping here for some time. How do Binance make such money? Through fees, royalties, and a whole lot of transactions that are done in the Binance. We all know that the BNB is the native token of the Binance for governance and much of the transactions that are being held in Binance. So when you hold your BNB in vaults, similar to the fixed deposit account, you are going to be earning from the fees, transaction fee that people are doing on the Binance, and a whole lot of other means. So you can actually multiply your BNB by holding your BNB in the Binance vault, the BNB vault, so earning additional income. And this BNB you earn, you can actually sell them in the spot market, whether in a bear market or in a bull market, and you still have your initial position that you are invested in. So these are the numerous ways whereby you can make money in the bear market. Please, fam, try this out and then thank me so much. Have a wonderful day.